Hey, it's Cyrus. Welcome to this sleep meditation. You can use this track to help you get to sleep easier and sleep more deeply throughout the night. I suggest using headphones or plugging in your favorite speaker, eliminating any potential distractions, putting your phone on Do Not Disturb, lying down in a comfortable position with your arms by your side and your legs straight out, and closing your eyes. Beginning by taking one deep breath in through the nose and into your belly, and exhaling, letting it fall out of your mouth. Once more, going even deeper with the breath into your body, breathing in, and slowly letting go, decompressing as you exhale. One more like that, breathing in deeply, leading the breath, and super slowly letting go. Now making any final adjustments to your position, getting as comfortable as you possibly can, and committing to stillness in your mind to the best of your ability in order to guide you into the deepest state of calmness and awareness possible. And now that you're comfortable and still, take a moment to set an intention for your session. It's a message that we drop into our subconscious so that it blooms and grows like a flower while we rest. It could be, I am enough, I am complete. It could be, I am resting deeply and healing completely, or whatever it is that you choose. And repeating that 3 times to yourself right now. And now beginning by noticing the sounds in the room around you. Consciously shifting out of analyzing and thinking and doing mode, and in to listening and feeling and sensing mode. Your senses and intuition coming alive as you start to consciously enter the present moment. And now guiding your mind smoothly along with the rhythm of the body scan. When thoughts arise, just notice and drop them, and aim to stay connected to the rhythm. Beginning at your nostrils, feeling your breath, dropping down to the lips, feeling the sensation in the lips, the tongue, the jaw, the front of your neck, the right shoulder, the right elbow, the right wrist, the right thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, back up to the right wrist, elbow, shoulder, over to the left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, left thumb, index finger, middle, ring, pinky, feeling the rhythm moving back up to the wrist, left elbow, shoulder, the left side of your chest, the right side of your chest, the heart, the solar plexus, the belly button, the lower belly, the pelvic floor, the right hip, the right knee, the right ankle, heel, right big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth, the right heel, ankle, knee, hip, over to the left hip, left knee, left ankle, left heel, left big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth, left heel, ankle, knee, hip, tailbone, the whole spine up and down. Feeling the back of your head releasing into the supports, the neck and shoulder blades opening and sinking effortlessly, the middle and lower back and glutes relaxing, and the legs and feet releasing, sinking into the support. Feeling the front of your feet, your shins, your quads, the front of your arms and hands, the whole belly and chest, the front of your neck and your whole face. Taking a gentle, deep breath and releasing any layer of tension that you notice, melting effortlessly and blissfully. Feeling the entire inside of your body, dropping thoughts as they arise, staying connected to this moment as you feel the inside of your body. All the vibrations of the cells on the inside. Now feeling the entire surface of your body, the outside. Now tracking your breath as you breathe in through the nostrils down all the way to the feet, and tracking it as it goes back up on the exhale. Now breathing in from your nostrils all the way down to your ankles, and back up from your ankles through the nostrils on the exhale. Slowly breathing down into your knees and back up from the knees through the nostrils. Now breathing down into your belly, opening up the belly and feeling it pass back up like a ball of energy with the breath through the nostrils. Breathing down into the heart center, feeling the heart open up and passing it back up through the nostrils, releasing stress on the exhale. Breathing into the center of the neck and guiding it back up from the neck through the nose. Letting go of all thoughts, all concerns, becoming completely immersed in this rhythm, this flow, this wave of breath. As you breathe in through the nostrils into the center of the forehead, the mind's eye, and breathing down through the mind's eye, back out through the nostrils. Breathing in through the nostrils up through the top of the head and back down out the nostrils. And now taking one final deep breath down through the entire body, feeling everything open up as this gentle wave of energy and breath flows through and back up, releasing and relaxing effortlessly into the supports underneath you. Letting your mind drift into a beautiful dreamscape, free of concern and full of that vibrational frequency of love. Just basking in that simmering, relaxing energy that you've created for a moment of deep awareness and relaxation. And if you feel ready to drift off to sleep, just do so now, giving yourself the gift of a deep, restful, rejuvenating sleep. And if you wish to get up, just do so slowly and gradually, one little movement at a time. If you found this track helpful, please bookmark it and use it later, and share it with anyone you think might benefit from a restful sleep or a mindful nap. Feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what your experience was like, to make a donation, or to ask any questions. Here's to wishing you a great sleep and a rejuvenating day.